guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're working on another beautiful model, and her name is Danisha, aka Finesse on Instagram. And I'm starting out by carving out her brows, and I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to do so. I'm using the shade NC50, and then I'm going to use NW45 for the top section of her brows. And if you notice, my thumb is pulling on her forehead, the skin of on her forehead, and that's just to make sure that I'm drawing the line on as straight and smooth as possible, because we don't want no crooked line. We're going in for a smooth, sharp makeup look. Okay, smooth, sharp eyebrows. Now I'm carving out the top. Make sure you're taking your time while you're doing this part. Also, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting more consistently, and yeah. Now I'm just blending that out with my Real Technique brush to give it a nice smooth transition. And we're going in with some of that MAC concealer, and that is NC50. And what I normally do is put the P.Louise base underneath that MAC concealer, and I blend the two together because I feel like the MAC concealer gives me a nice transition, and the P.Louise base and the MAC concealer work well together. Now going in with my Zulu palette, and I'm using that brown color from the Zulu palette, and I'm going to blend that out on the outer corner of our eyelids. And I'm using my Plain Makeup by Yolanda eyeshadow brush. Now I just went in with my a darker eyeshadow color, and that is from the Brown Melanin makeup palette, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit over that brown from the Zulu palette. Now we're going in with more P.Louise base, and we're gonna pat that out. We're gonna make sure the edges are nice and blended, so when we apply our lighter shadow, our shimmery shadow, it's gonna be nice and a smooth, nice transition. Guys, honey, you guys, it's coming together. It's coming together. So yeah, yes, this is the Brown Melanin palette that I spoke about earlier. And I'm using the shimmer color from that palette also to go on the inner corner of her lids. And look at that shimmer, baby. It is so pretty. Making sure I take some of that shimmery color and just go a little above the line, the line of demarcation, because you know you want to blend all of that stuff out. You don't want it to show or anything. So now I went in with some of my JLarue cosmetic white gold pigment, and I'm just tapping that over the eyeshadow palette. I'm tripping. The eyeshadow color from Brown Melanin makeup. And I'm going to take a little more of that Zulu brown color, and I'm going to blend that towards the inside, it going into the intersection of the lid. So I just went in with foundation. I cannot remember what foundation I used because I wasn't going to use this video initially, but I said let me just put it out. No, put some content out there, whatever. So yeah, we're blending that foundation into her skin and forehead. So we're spraying our face down with some not Fix Plus. It's not Fix Plus. It's All Nighter Spray from Urban Decay. And we're also going to take some of our powder from Laura Mercier, and that's medium deep. And we're going to apply that to our under eyes. And this blush is from Juvia's Place. And I love this blush and highlighter palette. It is thebomb.com. And the makeup came out so nice and pretty. And now I'm putting on her lashes. And she loved these lashes. Like she kept them on. She kept them on. And she's normally so like specific when it comes to lashes, and I just like popped these on her and she said yes. I was like so surprised she said yes. Because she's like, you can make me look like a bird, you put on these big lashes. But these fit her perfectly, and these lashes are from glam lashes, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I'll have it in the description box. And this is the finished look, y'all. And here is some footage from my cell phone, the low light method. So yeah, it's something really quick and pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean the world to me. Thank you so much. And also share the video with everybody you know, anybody you know. All right, thank you. Bye.